Alright, welcome to British School Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabas, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your PC or your laptop load faster. There's so many reasons why your PC might be running slow. It's possible you're running low on CPU, your RAM. It's also possible your hard disk is almost full. So if you check my PC here, you're going to see I'm almost running low on hard disk. So let me show you over here. I partitioned my hard disk, so you can see I've almost exhausted this segment of my hard disk. I'm going to show you some steps on how to go about making your PC run faster. So let's get started. I just want you to click your start button over here and you type in run. Type in run and it actually brings up this run here. So you just click this and you can type in PREFETCH. Okay, you're going to see a lot of files. You're going to see a lot of files over here. Just highlight them and delete all the files. Don't worry, it's not going to. You don't have to worry about losing some documents on your PC. Just delete this. These are archives of dummy files on your PC, so you don't need to worry about them. You can just delete all of them. So I'll highlight all and I'll delete all of them. So that's the first step. I'm going to show you something else. We're going to execute the run function again. So you type in. Click your run, your start button, and still type in run. We're going to run a temp this time, so I just run temp over here and okay. It's going to bring up another new list of files. You're still going to do the same thing. You're going to wipe them out. So you Control A and you delete all the files. Yeah, it's going to look for administrative permission, so you give it administrative permission and you delete the whole file again. So you can just do this for all. Try again. Alright, do this for all and skip. Yeah, we are going to execute the run function again. This time we are going to do something else similar to the last one we did. So click run again, and this time you type the %sign over here. You type temp and % again. Okay, it's going to bring up a new set of files. I want you to delete all these files again. So Control A and delete. If you have not done this before, it might take a while to actually get rid of all these files. But after executing these functions, your PC should load faster after restarting your PC. Another reason why your PC might be running low is because a lot of applications are running on the background on your PC. I will show you a way on how to check them and how to actually kill some of the applications you're not using. Some applications on your PC are set to default to begin running immediately your PC comes on. So you might want to just disable those applications. So I will show you how to disable those applications. So just right click over here and come. Alright, so just right click and come to the task manager over here. Come to your task manager. So from task manager, just come over here and you click more. And if you click more, you're going to see there are a lot of applications running on my PC. You can see the processes running. You can see the performance over here. And if you check the applications running, you can see background processes over here, like 55 of them. Come on, so you might just want to go through all these applications. If there are certain applications over here you see you don't need, you can see the disk space of the application over here. So you can see this one is quite high. OBS, okay, OBS, I'm using the OBS to record my screen for this video, so you can see OBS is running. But if I was not, I'm also running in Premiere Pro. I'm also running Premiere Pro, and you can see they are consuming some space. And my Microsoft is open, but just check out and kill some applications you are not using over here. If you have executed this, all you need to do is you need to come over here, come to your bin, go to your recycling bin, and after deleting all those files by using the run function, come over to your recycling bin. There are going to be a lot of folders you need to get rid of in your recycling bin. Just highlight all of them and delete all the folders from your recycling bin. After deleting that, you might just want to restart your PC and your PC should load faster. Right, I've done this, and not just your PC is going to load faster, you're going to create more space. You're going to create more space for your hard disk. Literally, if I go and check my hard disk, I'm going to have more space right now. because you've deleted a lot of dummy files from your PC. If I go check my PC right now, you can see I have more space on my local disks. And yeah, this partition, I have a lot of folders here for my partition. This is where I store a lot of files I work with. If you've done that, your PC should load faster. And something else you can also do, you can come to your browser and clear your cache. So if your browser is also loading slow, something else you can also do is clear your browser cache. So what you need to do here, just come over, I believe you should be familiar about clearing your browser cache. Come over to your browser, clear browser data, right? So you can see cache images and files. If you have been running a lot of activity on your browser, a lot of images will be cached and you want to get rid of them. A lot of cookies also will be cached. You might not worry about your browsing history, but just you can uncheck that, but you can delete all cookies and also clean up all your cached images and files and clear them out. It's going to make your browser load faster. So we're making your browser load faster and we're making your PC load faster. So I hope this video was helpful. If you run into any issues trying to run this application or trying to execute these steps, you can drop a message in the comment section below and I'll be glad to help.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would want other great videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, subscribe to our channel at Brit School and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on upcoming videos. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn at Brit School, or visit us at britschool.com. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.